Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook here on this Wednesday, December 19th. And severe weather concerns will be ramping up over the southeastern U.S. on Thursday. And we're also looking at some heavy rain, which could lead to some flooding down to the southeast and also in parts of the northeast. But warm temps do continue, at least for now. However, we're starting to see signs of maybe a change heading into January. So severe weather threats in the eastern portions of North Carolina and down into Florida for large hail and damaging winds. And that threat really starts to ramp up heading into the day tomorrow. But you can see this starting to gather strength today. A lot of rain, some thunderstorms even today, but the severe weather threat tomorrow, again, approaching the eastern portions of North Carolina and down into Florida throughout the day tomorrow. And then heavy rain on the order of 1 to maybe 3 or 4 inches. That could lead to those flood concerns. In fact, down into parts of Florida and southern Georgia, flood watch is also up near the Delmarva Peninsula and New Jersey for that flood threat. And looking at some 1 to maybe 2+ inch tallies, including New York, Philly, down to D.C. and Virginia Beach. So pretty wet weather as the storm system starts to gather strength later on today. As we head to the northwest, we're still tracking some snow through the Rockies. It looks like it'll be at advisory levels. And again, that could have some impacts, of course, if you're going to be traveling, especially the wind. Great Falls down to Cheyenne. Here in these areas, we could have some 50 to near 60+ mile-per-hour winds. Tomorrow will be gusty as well, but those areas of rain starting to taper just a little bit. Still maybe an additional 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch in Portland and Seattle. And one of the suburbs up near Seattle, Washington yesterday, we had a tornado. So kind of interesting to see that. But that moisture continues to roll in from the Pacific. And temperatures nationally pretty mild across most of the nation, with the exception of a few spots in the northern New England states. Here's the extended outlook as we get it closer to the 1st of January, which looks colder than average over the western U.S., but wetter than average across much of the central U.S.